Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to optimize and defragment any drive in Windows 11. So firstly open File Explorer. Now here guys right click on drive where you want to optimize like this one in my case. So right click on it. Now click on this three dot and click on optimize. Now here guys you have to select like this drive, so select that and then click on optimize. So guys you will see this optimization option and you can change setting for optimization in daily, weekly or monthly. Then click on OK, then click on close, and if you want to view in advanced, so select this one and select this just to optimize. So this way guys you can optimize any drive in Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.